Hi, it's Tom from Roywood Transits. This is just a quick walk around video, one of our latest vans in stock. So here we've got an available today is a Ford Transit 350 L3H3 limited series. So that's the long wheelbase and the high roof. This particular van is fitted with a 185 PS engine. That's the largest engine you can get on a Transit, and is rear wheel drive, so ideal for towing. And is also fitted with Ice Pack 25, so that's adaptive and intelligent cruise control, road sign recognition, as well as a few other bits. Registered 4th of March 2021. It comes with full Ford manufacturer's warranty, so 100,000 miles or 3 years, whichever comes worse, subject to regular maintenance, and also 1 year of Ford Assist. Covered just 9,874 miles. The condition is commensurate for the age and mileage. And as you can see, as it's a limited series, there's a few telltale signs already. So you get parking sensors front and rear, 180-degree rear barn doors, alloy wheels, heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, bi-xenon headlights, cornering fogs, inside the back, as it's an L3, you get just under 3.5 meters of load length along the easy clean floor. There you can see the roof height, full metal bulkhead with yellow grab handle, Ford standard lining with some extra storage just above the bulkhead. The doors can be locked when they're in the 90-degree position. You can see the right hand side one opened 180. And then inside the cab, it's in good condition. You've got the dual passenger seats with a small fold down table and storage underneath. 10-way adjustment on the driver's seat with lumbar support. Electric windows. Automatic bi-xenon headlights with daytime running. Power folding mirrors. 6-speed manual, so 3 pedals. Voice activation when your phone's connected through Bluetooth. Automatic rain sensing wipers. Cruise control, speed limiter, and Ice Pack 25. So these driver assists, and we'll just confirm the mileage while we're here. So you can see pre-collision assist with active braking, lane keeping system, cruise control, both intelligent and adaptive. Ice Pack 25 also includes factory navigation. And this is the Ford Sync 3 entertainment system, so you connect your phone through USB. You can then access Android or Apple CarPlay. And down here you've got the air conditioning, the heated mirrors, the heated windscreen with the quick clear and the quick cool. So in conclusion, and for sale today, here we've got a Ford Transit 350 limited series L3H3, 185 PS, rear wheel drive, so great for towing, fitted with Ice Pack 25, covered just under 10,000 miles. Available today, so if you're interested or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you.